6.
Oh wow.
Yes, so
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
Yeah, so I researched about time manipulation and that all.
Okay.
So I had researched about some subatomic particles and that I have studied. And I am also creating my own hypotheses and theories also.
Oh my god, that's so impressive.
Yeah.
So
I
you're
was-
so young.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought that we should visit ESA.
Yes,
Yeah.
welcome.
Thank you.
Feel free to ask me anything, and if you want I can make you a little introduction, but you probably know already a lot. So here you are in the headquarters. So here we find the directors, we find all the delegates. Delegates represent all the countries that we find here. So as you can see, in the beginning there was 11 countries that put themselves together, and now we are 50 years later and we have 23 countries here. And so I don't know if you know a little bit about the different sites that we have. So here it's the headquarters, but then in the Netherlands we have our biggest site, which is the technology center. So there we will develop the satellites and systems behind it. There is also a big test center. In Cologne, in Germany, we will find the astronaut training center where astronauts go when they are selected. Oh yeah, do you know how many astronauts presented themselves 3 years ago?
No, I am not knowing much about ESA, but I thought that ESA is a space agency of Europe, so I should visit it.
Yes. Well, I propose that you have a look here around, and I am here for responding to any of your questions, and if you want more information, feel free to ask me. There is a part of VR, so you can put the helmets and discover the International Space Station, and in the end you will find a globe that you can touch and see how different satellites observe the Earth. Okay?
Nice.
And I will just show you around here. Here you find the screen in French or in English, and you will be able to go to discover a little bit about all the topics that ESA covers. So as you may know, there is science and exploration with the missions, the astronauts, and everything that we send to space. But then there is the part of where we build the tools, the engineering, then there is protecting our environment, safeguarding space activities, and then of course bigger questions of the universe, and then of course also improving life on Earth. So all these, and then I didn't mention, but we also need to send Europe to the moon, which hasn't happened yet. Do you know how many astronauts went on the moon?
He knows.
I think 11.
Yeah, almost, it's 12, and they're all Americans. So here at ESA, we also want to push Europe to the moon. So that's one of our activities. And there is a feature that is very nice that allows you to go to see the different sites. So if you want, you can go to the Netherlands, which could be more interesting for you. And here, for example, there is a small video about 19 facts.
Welcome to the
Well, this is a nice
European
video that
Space
explains a lot
Centre,
about the technical
here in
center.
Noordwijk on the Dutch North
But I
Sea
want to
coast
show you this
is
part
this
where we go here.
is locomotion.
Here. This is the cool part.
And this is as far as we can get into the ESTEC test centre on this particular tour. Behind this gate is an airlock door leading to a 3,000 square metre environmentally controlled clean room complex filled with test facilities.